for you.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
Yeah.
So yes, so it's very familiar, this form of
Mm-hmm.
to and need to. Um, but what we want to do is build on what you know about that one to
Mm,
some more. So the promise to, um, and those ones. So let me come back here for a second. We were working on asking some questions and then using the verb plus the infinitive to answer. So you were going to tell me, what would you like to do this weekend?
mm-hmm. Yeah. I would like to I need to rest
Hmm.
because just I need to rest.
Yep. I need
That's
to
enough.
rest. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. And you could even say, I would like to get more done, but I need to rest.
Yeah.
Yeah. Especially when you've been ill, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So,
And the next one is what's no,
it's a bit of an awkward
hmm
question, but
what what did you do with what's your plan?
what do you plan?
What do you plan with English class? With English?
You,
What do you plan with English?
yeah, so we can add some words in here. I can actually say it's more kind of sorry.
No
It's more
worries.
kind of an expression. I can say, what do you plan to do with English?
Mm-hmm,
Um, or I can say, what do you plan to do with the English that you have been
mm-hmm,
learning,
mm-hmm,
right? So it could be like,
mm-hmm,
what do you plan to learn next in English?
mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
But for example, if I ask you, what do you plan to do with English?
mm-hmm,
I might be asking, do you plan to use your English for traveling,
mm-hmm,
or are you planning to learn it to get a new job?
mm-hmm,
So, what do you plan to do with English, or what do you plan to do with the English you're learning?
mm-hmm. I hope to
Nice.
do my best
Hmm.
to improve my English.
Yes, I hope to improve my English,
Yeah,
and I plan to do my best.
yeah,
Yeah, plan and hope.
yeah,
Exactly.
yeah.
Great. Yay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Now you're
Finally.
yeah, no, I feel like you're getting yeah, exactly.
Yeah. And uh what 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 do refuse the should no, what should
Can I
what
give
should people do refuse?
I'll give you a hint here is it's usually what should or what would,
Ah, okay.
right? What would you, so this was like that server at the restaurant. What
Got
would
it.
you like or what would you
Mm-hmm.
like to have? And so when I'm doing
So yeah,
advice,
so
what
here
should?
yeah, what should people to mm, what should people do to refuse?
Remember, I'm going to have a verb and then the infinitive. So what
So
should people refuse?
refuse to do
Yes, what should people refuse to do?
to do.
So
Yeah.
it's refuse and then infinitive. Refuse to
Mm-hmm.
do.
Okay, refuse to do. Yeah. I should answering.
Yeah.
Uh,
So now you're going to have the who. So
Okay.
people
People refuse
people
to,
should
people should
should
refuse
mhm, to
to uh, doing pay for government or
okay, hang on just a second because I want these two, this infinitive, to be not with the gerund, right? That it's
Mhm.
to, so people should refuse to,
to uh, oh yeah
okay?
to pay
Yes, people should refuse
to
to
pay
pay.
um uh, to government or for government.
People should refuse to pay the government
Yeah,
or for
maybe
government.
for government or maybe taxes.
Ah, people should
P-
refuse to pay taxes.
taxes, yeah,
Okay,
yeah, taxes.
good.
Yeah, but they have to, you know.
But they have to. Some people,
Yeah,
some
yeah,
people refuse to pay taxes.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah, that's true.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And next one, what shouldn't people um, pretend to do?
Yes, you got it first
Pretend
crack.
to do.
What people,
Uh,
what shouldn't people pretend to do?
mm, mm, people should pretend
People should or
to
shouldn't? Sorry. People
shouldn't.
shouldn't.
Yeah, people shouldn't pretend to too aggressive maybe or
Pretend means they aren't really that way, right?
Exactly.
It's like acting.
Mm,
So,
to be honest.
people shouldn't pretend to be
No, no,
honest.
no, 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 no,
That you can
no. Yeah, I'm confused. No, no.
okay, no.
Yeah, no. People shouldn't pretend to um, uh, to to mm, I don't know, lawyer maybe.
Oh, you're thinking who they should not pretend to. I will give
Yeah.
an example,
Okay.
and then you can think of one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so when I lived in Eastern Europe,
Uh-huh.
my friends told me that the most annoying thing
Mm-hmm.
about North Americans is we pretend to be happy and we pretend to be friendly.
Mm-hmm.
So they said to me, people shouldn't pretend to be friendly while they cheat you.
Mm-hmm.
So they said North Americans are like this.
Mm-hmm.
Hello. Well, they
Ah.
plan to steal from you, or not
Mm-hmm.
steal, but like do bad business. They
Mm-hmm.
pretend to be friendly when they are not. They
Mm-hmm.
pretend. So that's why I thought honest could be one. People
Mm-hmm.
should not pretend to be honest
Mm-hmm.
and
Got
yet
it.
be, you know,
Yeah, it's exactly. I should, I should pretend to be happy in my work.
yeah, there's an expectation.
Yeah.
Your boss would say, even if you're grumpy, you should pretend to be happy
Mm-hmm.
because people do not like to buy
Mm-hmm.
chocolates and they think people are grumpy. Like if the
Yeah,
chocolate didn't make you happy, why should I buy any here?
yeah, of course,
Like it's
yeah.
it's very, very not just sort of, it's partly what you're selling, but I
Yeah.
also think it's a part of North American culture. We don't like to buy things from people who are grumpy. Whereas
Exactly.
in another country, someone would say, "Oh, look at these are, beautiful berries, wild berries." And the person would say, "Oh, yeah, I had to search all over for them. It was like really difficult to find them." So, and it makes them more valuable in the other country. So they would say in that country you should pretend
Hmm.
to not want to part with what you have. Oh no, I
Hmm.
don't really want to sell my car.
Hmm. Got
Um,
it.
or when you're giving advice, do you in Canada you go to the grocery store,
Hmm.
right? And we say, you should people should uh refuse to buy things past their best before date.
Hmm.
So they should not buy things that are old.
Hmm.
But when I was going to a live market, I don't know if you had these when you were growing up. You
Hmm.
People told me you should pretend you should pretend not to have lots of money
Hmm.
when you go to the market. They will charge you more, right? You should
Got it.
barter. So say, oh no, I can't afford it. It's far too much,
Hmm.
right? You should pretend not to have enough money
Got it.
to buy it.
Got it. Got
Yeah. There's a lot of advice for
it. Yeah.
for people. All right. And so last one is about students.
And what should students expect to do?
Excellent.
Yeah. Students should expect to start to study
Hmm.
hard.
Yes. Good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Students should expect to study hard.
Yeah.
Good. You're getting it. So you already actually brought up this, which makes me really happy because you're imagining how we can use this, that the customer expectations are related to this use of infinitive.
Mm-hmm.
So the customer should expect to receive products on time, right?
Mm-hmm.
The customer should expect to receive cheerful
Mm-hmm.
service,
Mm-hmm.
or a customer can expect um, to receive excellent support with
Mm-hmm.
their purchase of a new electronic device.
Mm-hmm.
Or you could say our customers can expect to receive or to purchase
Mm-hmm.
quality products. These are
Mm-hmm.
all examples,
Mm-hmm.
right? And so when we're using these when we're talking about social expectations, we actually introduce these with young children by talking about certain
Mm-hmm.
behaviors. So we would say, you know, I don't expect children to jump on furniture,
Mm-hmm.
at home or at school. But
Mm-hmm.
we also might talk about how the expectations for behavior are
Mm-hmm.
different in different places. For
Mm-hmm.
example, at home, you may be expected to talk while the other person is talking. It's normal.
Mm-hmm.
But at school, we expect you to wait your turn while
Mm-hmm.
the other person's talking,
Mm-hmm.
right? But in a big way, we also have we talk about this, with children very early about how their expectations of different adults should be
Mm-hmm.
different. For
Mm-hmm.
example, you can expect to get your teacher's attention in the classroom,
Mm-hmm.
to have their full attention, but you can't expect to have the attention of the principal at
Mm-hmm.
all times because she's simply busy handling other things that aren't just dealing with students.
Mm-hmm.
Or when you come into the office, you can expect to ask politely for support from the secretary
Mm-hmm.
because she's expected to do a variety of things there.
Mm-hmm.
So, so when we're thinking about this, we might have these discussions about our expectations of people in different jobs. So when we're discussing, for example, the role of public servants, you know what I mean by public servants?
Yeah.
Yeah. So examples could be, a teacher,
Mm-hmm.
firefighter,
Mm-hmm.
and nurse, doctor.
Mm-hmm.
I'm wondering if there's any of these people in our country now who do things
Mm-hmm.
that you found surprising when you first came to Canada.
Mm-hmm.
A public servant even could be a bus driver.
Mm-hmm.
Is there anything
Mm-hmm.
unusual about what they do in Canada for you?
Mm, ah, yeah. Drug.
Drugs?
Drugs, yeah.
Can you explain?
Yeah. For example, I don't know why. For example, the, they support, they have the rule to support the homeless, not homeless, the people who addicted to the drugs.
Aha.
Yeah,
You could say, I didn't expect police officers to
exactly.
support drug users,
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
or I
exactly.
didn't expect the doctors and nurses to support drug
Yeah,
users,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
right?
yeah.
That's a great example. Even simple things.
Hmm.
My friend from Malaysia didn't expect a bus driver to
Hmm.
strike up a conversation with them.
Hmm. Hmm.
They expected them to be silent as
Hmm.
they were driving.
Hmm.
But that's a good
Yeah,
example to support.
yeah,
Exactly. So it's
yeah,
like this expectation.
yeah.
What about in shops? Do the customers do anything that you find unusual in your work?
Mm. The behavior of customer in my work.
Is there anything unexpected?
Uh, yeah, I mm, I didn't expect that someone comes to shop, but they don't like chocolate.
Okay.
So
So
I'm,
yeah. No, this is a great example. So
yeah, yeah,
I didn't expect to have to sell a product to a
yeah,
customer who doesn't like it. Or
yeah, yeah,
yeah, I didn't expect to have to sell.
yeah, yeah.
So, or you could even say, I didn't expect to provide service to someone who does not plan on buying anything,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah,
Because I
yeah.
notice in Canada, like people go to the store and they just shop, they don't buy.
Yeah, 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 exactly. Yeah,
That's always,
exactly. A
now
lot
I
of
find it
people
weird. Yeah,
just have a look,
just have a
just have
look.
a look. Yeah, just
Yeah,
have and smell the chocolate,
yeah.
nothing else.
I
Smell
didn't.
chocolate?
Yeah, exactly. I didn't expect to answer questions and
Yeah.
to provide samples to someone who
Yeah.
does not plan to buy anything.
Oh.
Exactly. And other than, I'm sorry, other than being friendly, has your boss also told you anything about what they expect you to do at work?
Yeah. In the
Like,
first day, in the first day, I didn't expect that they said don't use perfume.
okay, so my boss expects me not to wear
Yeah.
perfume.
Yeah.
Because the not must go before the infinitive, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
My boss expects me not to wear perfume. Okay.
Not to
Wear,
wear perfume. Yeah.
wear perfume.
Yeah.
Yeah. We talk
Yeah.
about it like it's a like clothing, like it's something that we put on.
Yeah.
Like wear makeup.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Teachers have a discussion about whether they should be expected to wear formal clothes or
Mm-hmm.
informal.
Formal.
You must
All
wear.
black. Yeah, we should be um uh, we we should wearing all black.
We're expected to wear black.
Yeah. They expected to
Yeah.
wear they expected to wear all black.
Actually, let's look at this one. This wasn't in my plan, but it's a good one because you asked about me,
Mm-hmm.
right? And us. So you
Mm-hmm.
can say they expect us to wear black, or they expect me to wear black.
Mm-hmm.
So they
Mm-hmm.
are doing the work of the expectation,
Mm-hmm.
but you're like the object. The me and the us is the object.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Got it.
Okay. So a little exercise now. Okay. So
Okay.
these ones we have some examples of public servants here and some
Mm-hmm.
people. Um, and so now we're going to describe some different people. All of these verbs are followed by infinitive. We have used expected a lot, and we've
Mm-hmm.
seen refuse, so won't do it, right? We know about need, but there's a few others here that we might want to look at. You understand agrees?
Yeah, I know. I
Yeah,
know.
like for example, we agreed to meet today. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Um, and offer,
Yeah.
offer, right? Like I offered to give the customer a sample, right?
Mm-hmm.
But this is the one that I thought might be a bit tricky is appear.
Can appear it's show show show
Yes.
the act that it's not their character, but they should be
Look
like
like.
that.
Yes, they should look like that. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. It could be pretending,
Mm-hmm.
or it could just be like my evaluation, right? Like she appears to be quite tired,
Mm-hmm.
but she's not really. She's just bored,
Mm-hmm.
right? Okay, so let's give this a try. You're just going to complete this sentence
Mm-hmm.
with an infinitive. If you want to try and do a longer sentence, as you often do, we can put something in, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So for example,
A
a hardworking, yeah, employee
hardworking expects um to expect to pay more to receive a more money or
a
salary.
hardworking employee
Yeah,
expects to receive more pay
yeah, receive more pay,
or a better salary.
better salary. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah.
Or as you said, I think what you're thinking of is receive a promotion. A
Mm-hmm.
hardworking employee expects to receive a promotion.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
A nice teacher sometimes
Agrees.
agrees to um, agrees agrees to nice teacher sometimes agrees to give points to students.
Okay. Yep. A nice teacher sometimes agrees to give points. Yep.
Yeah.
Excellent.
A
Yep.
serious student refuses, um, uh, I forget the meaning of the refuse. It's,
Means to say no, I won't.
yeah. Okay. A serious student refuses um, to accept rule
Um, well, accept rules.
rules, yeah, in a school, at a school.
A
Or
serious, okay,
no. A serious student
a
refuse,
silly student might.
yeah, yeah,
That's okay. It's okay. Yeah.
and refuse to waste their time.
Yes, a serious student refuses to waste time.
Yeah,
And you can say to waste their time. That's
yeah,
okay. How
yeah.
you said it. Yeah.
An honest police officer promise not to do wrong,
To do wrong. Yep.
any wrong or wrong,
Wrong?
wrong. Yeah,
Yeah, wrong. Can
okay.
you just in this one with promise, when we add the S on this ES, it becomes the sound as.
Mhm.
So it sounds like this. An honest police officer promises,
Yeah,
almost like a
promises.
Z, promises.
Yeah, promises. Yeah,
Refuses
promises.
is the same. Refuses. It's the
Yeah.
S. It's because we've added an S to
Mm-hmm.
a
Mm-hmm.
one with this uh E spelling at the end.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, got it.
Promises
Got
is
it.
a bit tricky because this doesn't sound like I, so it might not
Mm-hmm.
cue you to do that. So a
Mm-hmm.
serious student refuses to do. An honest
Mm-hmm.
police officer promises not do.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Got it. Yeah. A lazy employee to uh needs needs to uh needs to uh positive energy, or
Oh,
needs to exercise maybe,
needs to exercise? You can
or needs to needs to have a coffee.
to have a coffee,
Yeah,
to take a coffee break. Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
maybe. A
You have a better
carrying
view of employees. Not re to receive a warning.
yeah.
No, I like
Because
you.
it's lazy,
Yeah.
it does not depend, it's not
Naughty or something.
to the money and other things, so
Yeah.
it's lazy. It depends on the mood.
Needs energy. Yeah, this is
Yeah.
good. Okay.
A caring doctor offers to best way to be healthy.
Offers, I think you're thinking of like are they giving advice?
Yeah,
So a caring doctor offers to advise patients on how to be healthy.
yeah.
Yep, you can say like this,
Hmm.
or a caring doctor offers to listen to the patient patiently,
Hmm.
or yep. So offers to give advice
Hmm.
or to
Yeah,
advise. You can
yeah,
even give it shorter. Offers to
yeah,
advise
yeah,
patients.
yeah.
Good. And the last one?
A good actor can appear to uh to to show their their position, or maybe can
It can,
appear can appear to best to not to do best.
so let's use an emotion. So
Hmm.
for example, a good actor can appear to be furious.
Yes.
even in a comedy film,
Mm,
like even when it's a funny situation.
mm,
Or a good actor can appear to be distraught, like
mm,
completely sad
mm.
about
Got it.
something, even though it's not real.
Mm,
So they can appear to be something else.
mm,
Or you can say something like a good actor can appear to be older than they are. So they can
mm,
take on a role where they're not playing someone like themselves.
mm.
Mhm.
Yeah,
A good example?
yeah, makes sense.
Okay. So from actors to the movie theater. So here we have a theater, where you can watch movies. And what I really wanted to get at here was our big goal in these lessons was to improve your ability to talk about everyday experiences.
Mm-hmm,
So we're talking about things that you prefer to do, that you like
mm-hmm,
to do, that you
mm-hmm,
enjoy doing. Um, and so an everyday use of this that you would surely see on your exam would just be things I like to do. So like is again another one you're very
mm-hmm,
familiar with,
mm-hmm,
but it's followed by infinitive.
mm-hmm,
So for example, I could say, I like to watch movies at home, or I prefer to watch movies at home to the theater.
mm-hmm.
And so which of these events do you like to do? Or which things
Live music.
you like to go?
Yeah, I would like to go to live music.
Or I like to go to live music events.
Yeah, yeah.
Or you can say, I like to um, go to the jazz club,
Mm-hmm,
right? And so the other thing is when we encounter, like when we go out to these events, it's kind of like it was with the workplace. There are
mm-hmm,
some things that people do that can be surprising,
mm-hmm,
especially now after the COVID
mm-hmm,
closures.
mm-hmm,
So, I was surprised. So, for example, a
mm-hmm,
behavior which surprises me is I did not expect people to
mm-hmm,
drink alcohol at the movie theater.
mm-hmm,
But now the theater has events where people are drinking alcohol for adults only.
mm-hmm,
But I did not expect people to drink alcohol in the movie theater. I thought of the
mm-hmm,
movie theater as a public place.
mm-hmm,
When you go out to live music events, is there anything that people do that surprises you?
mm-hmm. Um, Maybe fireworks.
Hmm. What what did people do at the fireworks that surprised you?
That was big, um, big, um, uh, amazing. Um, because it was a big event and a lot of people,
Hmm. A big crowd.
yeah, crowded comes there for the watching the events,
Hmm.
and I was amazed. Oh my God, lots of people.
So I didn't expect
Yeah,
be so
yeah,
many people, or I didn't expect it to be so crowded.
exactly. Yeah,
Yeah.
I didn't expect it to be so crowded.
And was this pleasant or unpleasant for you?
Pleasant.
It was pleasant. You were pleasantly surprised.
Yeah.
Yeah. Was there anything unpleasant about going to the fireworks?
Mm, I couldn't understand. Sorry, I received the because I
That's
have
okay.
the honestly I received the message. I'm answering. I'm answering you. You know, because I didn't expect to have a class for 2 hours.
Awesome. That's a good example. Yeah, do you want me to pause? Do you want me to pause and then we can?
So I'm, oh my God, what should I do now?
That's okay. Here, just a second. I'm gonna stop sharing and I'm
Yeah.
and I'm